So I couldn't just leave this part red. That would look like a lip, but different. So when I got down, left this point, you see, I had to reverse the target. You learn to get it down and make a little lip start. That's it. And aside the face, I had to leave here pits. Sometimes as deep as that, in order to give it color, so that they round it. You know what I mean? And same way here, and underneath here. You see, I couldn't leave it as you would actually see the face at this face size, 3 feet. You just couldn't do it. Same way with double chin. It looked like it was heavy. Just a neck. Sense of color. Oh, now and tomorrow. A long time tomorrow. And so it was. We studied. The first one, the next one is 6.
Which one is it? Would you have to select one?
Select.
Push a button first, yeah.
But in the red.
There. Now you can blow him up.
Oh.
Then look up here because it's not what you're doing.
Wow.
Apa Bi, try ko na. Okay. Enjoy ko. Gandos. Okay.
A stone sculptor's greatest challenge is to avoid cutting away too much rock, since once it is removed,
It's
it
not a
is
gosh.
impossible to replace. By constantly reworking the scale model, Morgan was able to test his ideas and manipulate the look of each face before they were actually cut into the mountain. Once Morgan was convinced of his artistic direction, he would measure the model and transfer the dimensions to the mountain using an ancient sculptor's tool called the pointing system, and transfer that exact information to the mountain. A bar connected to a protractor was attached to the top of the model's heads. A corresponding large-scale version of the pointing tool was also attached to the mountaintop. The bar extended out over the faces and could be rotated to any degree. A weighted plumb line extending down from the bar to the surface of the model. The protractor angle, as well as the position and length of the plumb line, were all recorded. On top of the memorial, the measurements were multiplied times 12, an inch on the model, the corresponding measurements. Rock was removed until each point on the mountain matched exactly with each point from the model. This process was repeated thousands of times during the
We all played a part, a very important part in the sculpture system. And this was, he had the greatest idea for a sculpture system. And nothing would thrill him more than what has happened in Bushwick and how it stands for democracy. I mean, if he made a mistake, he didn't scold you or get out of temper with you. But if he made the same mistake 3 or 4 times, then he would have temper. He would tell you so. Because he wasn't our taskmaster when people were doing things for him. I spoke to some of the men on the mountain yesterday, the workers, and we reiterated that he was a hard taskmaster. But you have to be. How could you do that work? Rushmore if you look at the man against him.
That America is always a beginning, never a consummation. Washington, Jefferson, Lincoln, and Roosevelt all surmounted old barriers and opened up new frontiers. They growed their nation and strengthened its civilizations. And they chiseled into our national soul a yearning for freedom, democracy, equality, and justice. And this is all people regardless of religion. And the inherent dignity of democracy for individuals.